This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming two prerequisites. Your carrier must support Wi-Fi calling, and your phone must be on a current software build. Once done, connect to the Wi-Fi network you'll use for calls. Make sure it has internet. Now open Settings, tap Connections, then Phone and Wi-Fi calling, or directly find Wi-Fi calling and connections. Toggle Wi-Fi calling on. This activates the handset side of Wi-Fi so the phone can register with your carrier over wireless rather than cellular. Once Wi-Fi calling is enabled, tap the option to open Advanced Settings. Here you choose whether Wi-Fi is preferred versus cellular. Make sure your emergency address is accurate. Carriers require it for emergency routing when on Wi-Fi. If you don't see the option, update the carrier services or phone app from Galaxy Store or Play Store, then force stop and reopen the phone app. Make sure permissions are granted for location and phone. This helps SIP registration, and emergency features work reliably. Finish by making a test call while connected to your Wi-Fi. Look for the Wi-Fi calling or Wi-Fi icon in the status bar to confirm registration. If you don't connect, toggle Wi-Fi calling off and on, reboot the phone, and try again. If still unresolved, reset network settings to clear stale profiles or toggle airplane mode briefly. If provisioning or emergency address rejection continues, contact your carrier. Most failures are carrier provisioning or account settings rather than device faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.